Hi there, I'm Jacques, and I'm going to walk you through using a spreadsheet to import data into Canny. By the way, you can also import data automatically using the API. Full documentation is available at developers.canny.io. We'll have a description linked just below this video. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's download this file to CSV, and you'll notice that this file includes our request, a description, as well as the tags and the current status. So we've got that downloaded, and be sure it's in .csv format. Now we'll head over to Canny and head over to the settings, select boards, and then we will select the board we want to add these posts to. So let's import data right there. And then we will upload a .csv file. You can't see it, but I'm selecting the CSV file from my file system here. And that will pull it in, and Canny will parse it out. So first thing, you'll notice that this is our header, actually, this first row. So we'll go ahead and enable that. So if we head back over to the spreadsheet here, you can see that this first row is actually just the header. It's not a post that we want to create. Another thing to note is that the status, if it's not a status that's defaulted to Canny, so if it doesn't match one of Canny's status options, we will just default putting that as an open status. Another thing too, that is not a tag, that is a status. So we can go ahead and swap these two, tags and status. By the way, we do also have a skip option. So if you are coming from another platform, they gave you a spreadsheet that has columns that aren't relevant to Canny, you can just go ahead and skip those columns. All right. So with that, let's go ahead and import these posts. Now, a few things to note here. All posts uploaded to the spreadsheet via import will be attributed to the admin who did the importing. By the way, you can also use the API to create posts on your user's behalf, and you can also add votes to a user after you've created it. So feel free to go ahead and use that add voter option here. So if I go ahead and select my new board, you can see all of those came in just fine. All right, so with that, definitely feel free to let us know if you have any questions at all. We're more than happy to help. You can check out our help center for more details on this, or you can feel free to start a chat. We're happy to help. Thanks. Make it a great day.